Good afternoon. This is Michael Clayton with ReMax Alliance. Today I'm at 2103 Griffith Drive in Huntsville, Alabama. This is a nice house for the money. It is almost 1,200 square feet. It's got new roof, which is 30-year dimensional shingles, covered front porch, a little patio out front. It's full, I'm sorry, it's not full brick, it's brick on the front, vinyl siding, vinyl eaves. Go through a new storm door. Be quiet, boy. Be quiet, boy. It's fresh paint. It's got a Trane central heat and air that's just 3 or 4 years old. Ceramic tile. It's 3 bedrooms, 1 full bath. Here's the kitchen. Nice new countertops, cabinets, ceramic tile again, new stove, fresh paint. This is your dining room, which flows into the den. Down the hallway, got a laundry closet. Master bedroom. Sorry, I'm going a little fast. Don't mean to make you dizzy. Ceramic tile throughout the house. It's got a fenced backyard. The whole house has pretty much been redone. It's bedroom number 2. Gonna love this completely remodeled bathroom. Ceramic tile, whirlpool tub, shelves in the linen closet, ceramic tile countertop, separate shower, and toilet. Like I said, can't beat this. Pretty much move their furniture out, move yours in. Going across the den. This is currently set up as an office, which you'll see, but it could be a 3rd bedroom if you need one, because right back here is a room that's a little over 10 by 10, which you could have as a full walk-in closet. So 2 bedrooms and an office, or 3 bedrooms with a walk-in closet. My name is Michael Clayton. I'm with ReMax Alliance. You can reach me at 256-527-9659 or on the internet at bestonlinehomesearch.com. And again, I'm at 2103 Griffith Drive in Huntsville. Please call me if you'd like to see this house. I'd love to show it to you. Have a great day.